fix. So first I'm just making sure I got my lace where I want it. And it looks like I got my lace where I want it. And I'm just combing it out, making sure my part kind of right. So yeah. This is a good wig. It's just like after you get done flattening it, after a couple of days, it started to get kind of stiff to me. But it's still a good wig. It don't get like too stiff. It's just like I want to shout out to RXMI YouTube channel. Without her, I probably wouldn't even know what I'm doing. Edges would be, I had too much edges, so I just want to shout out to her, and I have her YouTube link in the description. So yeah. And another thing, when you put glue on your lace, make sure you don't put it on your edges, because like when you put it on your edges and you start to try to get you some edges out, it's gonna like your edges, it's gonna start pulling the hair out. So yeah, make sure you don't put it on your edges. As you can see, I'm combing my edges soft to make sure I don't pull my edges out, and I have enough edges to make my baby hairs. So when I do my lace, I cut close to where the hair is, so like I could just push it down and make it look real natural, you know, get it all cute. And you're gonna see that in the next clip. So yeah. Another thing, I put some more got to be glue where my lace was at, and I pushed it down to make sure my lace was secure right there, with nothing up, with nothing slinging. So now I'm just grabbing a little baby hairs, and I don't want too much baby hairs because I don't want it to look like too much. And another thing I realized that I need to stop doing is grabbing hair from everywhere. I could grab a little from anywhere you want. You don't have to make a straight line to make your edges. Another thing is I use foam to do my edges now, so I won't have to use edge control, and it won't be like, you know, looking all ratchet. So yeah, I ain't saying it's ratchet to use edge control, but when you use foam, it looks more natural. Another thing, you can use the foam to get the extra hairs out the way. Want nothing happen to the hair. You can flatten it still and everything. You can do everything you need to it. So yeah. So I flattened it and I pressed and combed it, so I make sure everything's straight how I want it. No look, make it look natural, not all wiggy. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. And pictures, I will have pictures coming. So in the next lace front, I will slay. So send me some more lace fronts, y'all, and I will slay. And if you want to know where I got this bob from or where I got this lace front from, you can look in the description below, and I will have everything that you need to get the same wig that I got. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.